To troubleshoot Credit.com login issues, start by ensuring you have a stable internet connection. Open a web browser and navigate to the Credit.com website. Check that you are using the correct login credentials, including your username and password. If you are unsure, try recovering your password by clicking on the Forgot Password link. Next, clear your browser cache and cookies, as outdated information can prevent you from logging in. You can do this by pressing the Ctrl-Shift-Delete keys on your keyboard and following the prompts. Also, check that your browser is up to date, as older versions may not be compatible with the Credit.com website. If you are still having trouble, try using a different browser or device to rule out any issues with your current setup. Additionally, check for any browser extensions that may be interfering with the login process and disable them temporarily. Another common issue is account lockout due to multiple failed login attempts. If you have tried logging in too many times, your account may be temporarily locked. Wait for the specified time period and try again, or contact Credit.com customer support for assistance. It is also important to be aware of phishing scams, where fake websites mimic the Credit.com login page. Always verify that you are on the genuine Credit.com website by checking the URL and looking for the padlock symbol in the address bar. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve common Credit.com login issues and access your account successfully. If you continue to experience problems, contact Credit.com customer support for further assistance. Remember to always keep your login credentials secure and be cautious when entering sensitive information online.